Hi YouTube, it's Alan Sugano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group, and today's topic is about the Google Willow chip, which basically made some pretty amazing strides with quantum computing. So if you're not familiar with quantum computing, it's kind of like the next gen of CPU. It uses these things called quantum bits or qubits. It it's really good for like figuring out encryption strings or things like that. It has ability to kind of process information in parallel. So one of the problems with quantum computing is it has an insanely high error rate. So because usually what they have to do is they have to keep the chips super cold, like liquid nitrogen cold, in order to avoid a bunch of quantum bit errors. So the big breakthrough that Google had with the Willow chip is that they developed an error correcting mechanism to basically correct any errors that flip that weren't supposed to flip, and allow scalability of the CPU and the qubits. So it's my understanding that this Willow chip is just for memory. It just does. Really doesn't do any compute, but it's still a huge breakthrough because that was one of the things that that the industry's been fighting with quantum computing, is that the error rate is so high, and it's like, okay, well, how do I trust this? And the short answer is you really couldn't. But now they've come up with a reliable means of correcting things that throw errors. So I'll put a link here to more information about the Google Quantum Willow chip if you're interested, if you want to get your geek on and just kind of learn a little bit more about the breakthrough that they made with this chip. So anyway, that's our tip of the week. If you like this content, please boink, hit the subscribe button, boink, hit the like button. It does help out the channel. Stay safe out there. You might want to brush up on your quantum computing stuff. It's probably like the next big thing, sort of. Although it doesn't have computing applications in all aspects, but where it in the areas where you really do need quantum computing, it is not 3 or 4 times faster than traditional CPUs. It's on the gazillion times faster. It's just it's mind-boggling how much faster these chips have the potential to be. So anyway, stay safe out there, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.